What's up? It's Jen.
I'm Sierra.
And this is EO Real Talk. And I'm so excited because I just got back from my run. And guess what? Richard picked up the new convention kit. And I haven't opened it yet. And this is going to be my official kit opener. But there's two things that come that you can order with the convention kit this year. So, let's open it up. All right. Ooh. This is my fancy way of opening things. So like a little sneak peek before I open this is that doTERRA really focused on household items this year, and I'm so excited about it. All right, let's turn it around. So Sierra, what do you pull something out? What are you excited about?
I am so excited about this new deep blue stick with copaiba. I tried it just a little while ago and it's amazing.
What do you like about it?
Because it's convenient. It's convenient and it doesn't get all over my hands. And so that way
you can open it up.
I don't like get it in my eyes on accident.
The next item I'm excited about is the On Guard 2 tablets. So normally doTERRA just has like On Guard in their product, and they have a bunch of other really good things in there for just immune support. All right, laundry pods. So doTERRA has a new oil called Abode. Let me put this down because I'm awkwardly holding it. And that is going to be the scent in the laundry pods. So these are totally different than what doTERRA's had in the past. Grab something out of there.
Coconut oil.
That's funny.
Your very own coconut oil.
I didn't know they had that in there.
Dishwasher pods, which is super exciting. doTERRA's never had these before, so I'm really excited to use these.
And it's Abode, right?
Yes, Abode, yep.
So let's open the oils and see if we can find the Abode. I don't want to break this. Ooh. So the new oils are in here. So Higgy. So I actually had the opportunity to try all these out in June, and I was talking to a lady who helped design this, and it's just like supposed to be this like home cozy blend. Just gotta learn how to say it. Then we also have Tulsi. So they released that last year temporarily. Now it's a permanent item. Vanilla. This is so exciting, you guys. I cannot even wait. Most vanilla is like not real vanilla. This is. Trying to go through the other. See what else is in there.
And then we have the Abode. So I don't even know what this smells like yet. So
you can open it.
I'm so excited.
Give us your first reaction.
Okay. Hopefully it's good. Oh yeah, that's nice.
What does it smell like?
I smell the lemon eucalyptus in it. I can smell that. It reminds me of like Purify, but not Purify. They said in one of the breakouts today, it's like Lysol, but not Lysol.
Yeah.
It's like a good
and so
clean
there's
Lysol.
Tons of different products based around that. And so doTERRA's going a little more green. And so when you buy, so I think that's what's in this other box is the containers. So you can refill, like they have these aluminum refills. So this is going to be their hand wash, and it's going to be citrus bloom flavored. Yummy!
Yay! Copaiba Touch. Super excited about that. And then Osmanthus.
Uh-huh.
So this is a new one.
Is that a flower?
I think so.
You can open them and smell them. Tell me if they're good.
Okay.
Oh, they have a Hojo. Is there a holiday joy in here? All right, so then there's gonna. Oh, what do you think?
I can't smell copaiba. Let me put it on.
Oh,
It smells like copaiba. Yep. Copaiba. However you want to say it. Okay.
smell the osmanthus.
Ooh. Mmm. That smells good. It's very floral.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a floral.
Yeah.
All right, so next we have, like I said, they're going green. So this is going to be just a refill. They have a new multi-purpose cleaner. I'm so excited. And I think this one actually has the Abode in it. Cool.
Lotion. Refill. So excited. And they have a pump in here.
Yeah,
so
we'll have to open that up in just a second and see what that is. And they have a new sensitive skin carrier oil. Did they talk about this?
They probably did, but I didn't hear.
I went for a run. Check this out, a sensitive skin carrier oil blend. Huh. Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
You want to open this. I am going to start opening this big box with my really cool box opener.
Liquid dish soap. So excited.
I cannot wait.
So I've been waiting for this. So one thing in my kitchen I have that's not doTERRA because
Yeah.
I've never had dish soap. So I'm really excited.
My fancy opener. Okay. So you can also buy glass. A lot of people don't love the plastic, me included. So they've got this nice new swanky, bougie, I don't know. Are these bougie?
Modern
Modern
farmhouse.
There we
I
go.
would say.
Bottles. So, okay. So you've got like your dish soap bottle, and instead of ordering like a new dish soap every month, you can just buy the refill every month or as often as you need it and put it in here. I'm so excited.
And this is better for recycling than plastic.
Yes, they said the
Aluminum.
work is done before. Didn't they say something about that? The work was.
They did. They said that 75% of aluminum is still in use when it's like recycled. But plastic, you can't always recycle plastic for it to be reused.
Okay. Okay.
So it's much better. It's much more sustainable.
Yeah.
And this is hand wash in actual nice, instead
Pump.
of the plastic pumps.
I'm not gonna lie, doTERRA's pumps have kind of been stinky. Well, I mean, like not literally stinky, like I'm stinky right now, but they haven't been the best. So these will be a lot nicer. So this will be the lotion. Yep. You can refill your lotion.
And surface spray, and I like this.
Oh
This
yeah.
little
So that way when your
silicone.
kids drop it on the floor,
Yes.
and by your kids I mean my kids.
And my kids too. We've had lots of glass bottles broken, so this hopefully will prevent
All right, I'll pick up the other stuff off the floor that I hucked. So there we have it. doTERRA did not disappoint with their product lineup this year. I honestly think that if I were to look back at the 12 conventions I've been to, that maybe 11, that this is probably my favorite lineup for the year. It's just like really good consumable household products that we need. Foaming hand wash, the vanilla, the Tulsi, this really cool cleaner concentrate. I should probably line this up all fancy, but you know, there we go. The Abode, the Huggy, Osmanthus, and Copaiba Touch. So great, so great. So I wanna know what product on this table that you are the most excited about. Just leave a little comment. Tell me what you're most excited about. You can like, you can subscribe. Thanks to Sierra for being our guest today.
Yes.
We'll have to pull her into some more videos. She lives in Missouri. So normally it's me and Lindsay, but I got a special guest today. So take care and let me know, what are you most excited about?